Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to make your own font in Microsoft Word. So first open your web browser and search for font. Then go to one of these websites. I will download a font from DaFont. Now here you have multiple fonts to choose from. And you can click on all the new fonts to see all of the new fonts, or you can search by a keyword. And now select a font, then click on download. Let's download the first font, for example. Click on download and wait a few seconds. Then go to the file location and extract the zip file. Now double click on the file, then click on install. Wait a few seconds. Now go to Microsoft Word and search for the font. And here it is. Just click on the font and now let's change the size. And now you've added your font. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.